Hey folks, there is, I believe this is a special call, Radio United 60 and Radio 60. I have to check it. Those call signs are unusual. It's a special call sign. Something about the Federation, blah 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 blah, Russian something. I don't want to say something wrong. I gotta Google that later on. I just wanted to show you guys some impressions. Mother Nature. It's sunny. 56 Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. It's peaceful here. I put those tapes around because if people walking up that hill, they got the sun on their face, blinded by the sun. They don't see the paracords. This is what happens. But they can see the warning, the security tape. So this is what they can see. But I don't see that thin. It's 4 millimeters paracord. There she is, the baby antenna. Yep. Let's walk around for a little bit. I enjoyed it. I so enjoyed it being up here. Down there is Wiesbaden City. I'm gonna zoom in a little. This is my older iPhone 5S. The camera is not that good as at the SE, but I need the SE for doing phone calls and for WhatsApp messages. This here is just for video documentaries, for looking at the clock, the UTC time, and recording videos. I was thinking about to sit on that bench, but no, not good for me. If I sit on that bench and I got the radio here side of me, no, not good. Not good. So yeah, it's beautiful up here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, this little cloud there, this cloud I'll show you. I checked that with my compass. That cloud right there, this is exactly the northern direction. This is the north. And there are some wild hogs and wild boars around here. You rarely see them when the sun is out. They're hiding somewhere down in the bushes. And that little cabin that you see there, it's not a bee house. This is for the hunters. That's for the hunters. Yep. They're sitting up there waiting for the deers to come by, and they got the shotgun ready. Yep, but they don't shoot on me. I don't believe it. So yeah, there's a lot of fields. And there's a little community down in the lower elevated area. It's really, really, really peaceful here. Look at it. There's the antenna. Okay, so I just had a little breakfast. And I eat 2 pretzels. I saved the other one for later on. 20 meters is not really alive. Some people from Spain, from Russia, from Ukraine. I could hear Lima Alpha Norway, Ocean Kilowatt Czech Republic, and a few others. So let me see. They've been hiding right here. I could see that. Yeah, someone, it's probably plastic baggie or something. Look at these flowers. These blue, purple, mini flowers. Thousands of them around. Thousands of them. Can you see that? Yeah. Yeah, someone probably threw his garbage in the bushes. Looks like a, yeah, it's a plastic baggie. It's also, this is from, I don't know what this is. What is it saying? Oh, yeah. This is very, very, very dangerous. You need to watch where you step with your feet. This is still harmless, but if you stumble over it, I'll show you something which is a game over, which is a no-no. If you step in a hole like that, you're bending over, you're gonna fracture your foot ankle. Those ones right here. Those ones right here. You step in them. Oh my goodness. Then you can call 911. You're not gonna ride your bike back home, I guarantee you. Those ones right here. Those ones right there. Wild porks, the hogs. Look at this. If you step in a hole like that, look how deep that is. You see that? So, if you set up your antenna or you just take your antenna down, tear it down when it's dark, and you walk backwards because you want to tilt over that mast, you should always look what is behind of you. If I walk backwards, don't notice that this hole is there, it's over. Gunther 911, please come to my favorite hill. I fractured my foot ankle. I'll be in pain and I'll be out of service for a long time. The summer season is pretty much done. Then Gunther will be not able to go portable again in 2021. This is, if nothing is for sure, but this is for sure. This is so for sure, like nothing else in this world. Okay, folks. Clouds. I love it. I love it to be here. I swear to God, if I had a bunch of money, I mean talking about a real bunch of money, and I would have the chance to buy this property here, I would build me a sneaky, cozy little house, a 2-bedroom house, 1 bathroom, one TV room, a nice kitchen, a little shack. It would be awesome. Setting up a couple antennas here, man, you'll be all set. Keep on dreaming, Gunther. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna ride with your bike and your trailer, and this is okay with me. I love to do that. If I wouldn't love to do that, I wouldn't be here. Oh, bike is taking a nap till later on. The sun goes down. Thank you, YouTubers. Happy Tuesday. Hope the weather is also nice where you live.
Good luck. Italy Kilo 759.
And we stay in touch. DK5ONV /portable in the hill area. 73s.